In this video, we're going to work through question 19 from the 4th of June GCSE Higher Tier Paper 2 booklet. So let's have a look at question 19. A hot air balloon is descending. That means it is losing height. The height of the balloon n minutes after it starts descending is h to the n meters. The height of the balloon n plus 1 minutes after it starts to descend is h to the n plus 1 meter is given by this formula here. And the height of the balloon starts to descend from a height of 1200 meters at 9:15. At 9:16 the height of the balloon is 1040 meters. So you are required to work out the height of the balloon at 9:18. So if you notice, as the time increases per minute, the balloon is losing height. Okay, so we're going to use some of this information here to work out the constant k, and then we can use a formula to work out the rest of the question. So let's look at some facts that we have there. So we have n minutes, the height was h to the n, right? And n plus 1 minute, we have a height of h to the n plus 1. So the balloon starts to descend from a height of 1200 meters at 9:15. So at 0915 we would have a height of 1200 meters. Okay, so now 1 minute later, which is 9:16, we have a height of 1040 meters. So from here we have sufficient information to work out the constant k. So at 9:16 we would have a height of 1040 meters. So here we're going to use this formula. So we have h to the n plus 1 equals to k times h to the n plus 20. So we are finding k. We have 1040 there, equal to k times the original height, which was 1200 meters, plus 20. So we have 1200 k and we take away 20 both sides, so that's 10,020. So k is 1020 over 1200. And upon simplifying that, we get k as 17 over 20. So now we have a formula that we can use to work out all the heights that we need to work out. So we would have h to the n plus 1 equals to k, which is 17 over 20, times h to the n plus 20. So we can use this formula now to work out all the values. So we have 9:16, the height was 1040 meters. So now we have the formula, so we can use it to work out the values of what is required. So let's do that. Okay, so let's use this information here to help you to understand how to figure this out. So at 9:16, so 9:16, 0916, we have a height of 1040 meters. So at 9:17, Okay, so 1 minute later at 9:17 we can work out this height. Okay, so height at 0917, we would have 17/20 times the height, original height there, which is 1040 meters plus 20. Let's input that in our calculator and see what we get. So at 9:17 we have a height of 904 meters. Okay, so let's do that. 904 meters. So the height is 904 meters. So to get to 9:18 now, so we're at 9:17, so let's just erase that. So 9:17, we want to go to 9:18 now, so we're going to input the values that we have for 9:17. We have 9:17, we have a height of 904 meters. So at 9:18, we can work out the height. So height at 9:18, we would have the height there would now be 904 meters plus 20. Let's use our calculator to work out this value. So at 9:18 we have a height of 788.4 meters. So that's 788.4 meters. And that's the height we have at time 9:18. So here ends question 19.